Items on the seller to-do list include: remove everything attached that's not for sale, including small appliances, ceiling fans, and fixtures. You don't want to spend time explaining what's included and what's not. Secure all valuables, such as laptops, tablets, and phones, as well as any prescription medications. Purge the refrigerator of all unnecessary foods and decorations. Remove everything from the countertops. Use white towels. You'll be amazed how easily you can turn any bathroom into a luxurious spa escape with a fresh stack of fluffy white towels. Take the trash out of every wastebasket in the house. Maximize curb appeal. There should be nothing on the lawn, such as toys and gardening tools. The lawn should be cut and shrubs pruned. Take out any artwork or decor that is religious or could offend prospective buyers. Place fresh flowers or flowering plants throughout the home. Clean and fluff bedding, towels, and rugs. Sweep and clean up the garage. Set the thermostat at a comfortable temperature. Clean, clean, clean. Beds should be made, countertops should be cleared, and all linen should be tidy. Surfaces should gleam.